Foods you've been eating wrong, part 75. Fruit roll-ups. Look at the fruit roll-up, admire the fruit roll-up. Most people eat fruit roll-ups like this. 1 bite, 2 bite, done, or they'll just crumple it up and shove it in their face hole. No, come on people, it's 2023. The only way to eat a fruit roll-up is like this. Slap it down in your hand, take some vanilla ice cream, and then put the vanilla ice cream on top of the fruit roll-up. And now you fold it into a nice little ball of delicious fruit roll-up ice cream goodness. Foods you've been eating wrong, part 929. Pasta. Look at the pasta, admire the pasta. Most people eat pasta like this. They get their fork, they put it in the pasta, they eat it like this, nom 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 nom. No, come on people, it's 2023. The only way you eat pasta is like this. You get the fork, you put it in the drill, you put it in the pasta, and bada bing, bada boom. Foods you've been eating wrong, part 104. Ramen noodles. Look at the ramen, admire the ramen. Most people eat ramen like this. They boil the noodles, they dust them with all the seasoning, and then they just eat them. No, come on people, it's 2023. Grow up. The only way to eat ramen noodles is like this. First, you bite it, then you get the seasoning, put it in your mouth, and then simple as that. Foods you've been eating wrong, part 233. Apples. Look at the apple, admire the apple. First things first, Honeycrisp is the best apple. Second things second, it's 2022. I see most people eat apples like this. They slice it into apple slices. No, come on people, it's 2022. Grow up. How you eat an apple, just take a bite out of it like this. The best way, the only way to eat an apple. Foods you've been eating wrong, part 744. Ice cream. Look at the ice cream, admire the ice cream. Most people eat ice cream to cool down in the summer like this. They just bite it. No, come on people. It's 2022. The only way to eat ice cream is like this. First, take a straw, stick it into the top of the ice cream cone, give it a little swirly twirly, and now you're left with this. You got a nice little hole inside your ice cream cone. Then you take your caramel sauce, fill up that hole with the caramel, and now cover the caramel with the rest of the ice cream, and boom, you have a cute, refreshing little ice cream cone treat. The best way to hack the heat and cool down with dairy this summer.